Class today we will start this class with the topic factorization. It is the process of find out the factor of any expression, whether that expression is algebraic or any number maybe. For example, if you're taking the 4, I just take one number 4, right? And if you are doing take out the factor of 4, so this will be 2 cross 2 cross 1. So what is this? What I done here? It is the one process. That process is called a factorization, right? It is a process. Find out the factor. 6, 2, 3, 1. So what is 2, 3, 1? 2, 3, 1 is the factor, and 2, 3, 2 cross 3 cross 1. This is the one process where it's called a factorization. Okay. One word also it in a very well known way is that prime factorization. So what is prime factorization? I express any number in a prime factor, in term of prime factor. 4, it is a prime factor, 2 and 2, right? 6, 2 and 3. So the other, it is a prime factorization. In the same manner, class, any algebraic expression is given there, right? So here we do start this topic from quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, there are so many quadratic we will learn here how to make out the factor, how to do factorization in a quadratic polynomial, right? So class, for example, one thing also just keep in mind is that why do we not starting from linear? Linear, it is the first level, because the linear, it is already factorized. X minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. It is already factorized. But this is the quadratic polynomial, because the degree is 2. Okay. So here we will learn, firstly, there are one peculiar way to take out the factor of this polynomial. It is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Right. So the way is that 12x square minus 7x plus 1. There are the three terms, first, second and third. Okay. So this all I am explaining you first. You don't you also copy down this one, right? But first I am explaining you. But it is not the actual way to do it. Okay. So हम class आप थोड़ा सा rough column में, I just take one rough column here. ये मैंने एक rough column draw कर लिया. So here the first coefficient of x square is 12. So it is considered as first term, right? And the second number is minus 7. The third number is 1. Okay. First I take out the coefficient of x square x and the constant term 1. First I multiply 1 into 3. It is the it is the one procedure, one process. First to multiply from first and third. 12 into 1, answer is 12 coming. This 12. After this, now you see on the second term 7. So now you break the minus 7 into two parts, right? In such a way that the plus minus, that should be minus 7, and multiply both the number, that is equal to 12. So I break it in the term minus 3 and minus 4, and you check it out. Minus 3 plus minus 4, minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 4, 12. Minus plus. Clear? So now, after this, what I'll do, 12x square, it is minus 7 is mentioned here. Minus 7, I break it into two parts, minus 3 and minus 4. So it is minus 3x and minus 4x. I write as in this way. Class, this is the key of the whole problem. If you done this one clear in a good way, then you will get the right answer. This is the main level of question. Okay, and after this plus 1 will copy down here. Now take out the factor. It is we can take common 3x. 3 is also there, and always take common with the least power of x. यहाँ पे power 1 है, यहाँ power 2. So also we can take power x to the power 1. So here 4 and 1 will be there. In this, the last two terms, 4 terms are there total. 2 pair will be formed. First pair, second pair. Okay. So here, if you take out the common 1 from here, it will be minus 4x and plus 1. And what is the problem there in this in both the bracket? The problem is the sign. Here this is 1 is minus, here 1 is coming plus. It is the 4 is coming positive, here 4 is coming negative. So what to do? Simply just take out the negative sign from the bracket. Minus sign को आप बाहर ले आओ. ठीक है? तो 3x 4x minus 1 and minus 1 will get here, and this is minus 1. Now if the bracket is same, so now the quotient done correctly. This is the sign, second sign, means our factorization is done correctly. So after this, write this bracket one time, and what the part outside the bracket just write in one bracket. Okay, so it is 3x minus 1. Now this is the required factorization of this quadratic polynomial 12x square minus 7x plus 1, right? Class, this is the answer. Simple class. Actually, in discussion, some few other things also I would like to share with you as well. Class, this was the quadratic. Now the question is finished. This process has finished, but some few other things also there is a need to be tell you, right? For you, this is for your good concept. This is for your sound knowledge. What and what are these? The things are actually, class. You see, this all thing also you see, and always as well you keep in your mind. The things are, for example, the question is 12x square minus 7x, and might be this way. It is a one. We can say it is a one way actually for one process for to take out the factor. Class, it is 12, and this is 7. It is 1. Okay, you should not consider this sign. इस sign को आप भूल जाओ. You skip this sign from your mind. This sign. You consider this sign and as well this sign. You have to consider these two signs. So the multiple of this number is 1 and 3. 1 into 3. Answer is 12. The second term is only we take 7, not minus 7. मैं बोला कि इस sign को आप just leave the sign, forget the sign. So it is 7 is there. So break 7 in two parts, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, right? After this, what I'll do? I copy down this one as same. I copy down this sign as well. Only I write 7 in the two part. One is 3 and 4, and x also will be copied down as same. Plus sign also will become copied down as same. Clear? After this, now I off this bracket. So it is 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Now I reach on the same step what we done here. You see, both steps are become same. So this is also one way. This thing also you have to keep in your mind, right? And after this, the process will continue as see what I done here. Take out take out the common part and make factor, and final answer you will get. Class, clear? So class, actually the aim of this part to tell you, the aim is that I have to I want to tell you this way, this process I want to tell you. Okay, class, understand? Class, this is the required answer. Some few other question and a few things also we will discuss here. Class, one thing also keep in mind is that class, this is the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Sometimes you might be confused with the equation and polynomial. Equation, when it can be called quadratic equation. When you see here, class. Now the question is finished. These are the things I am telling you, I am sharing you for your knowledge. Is that class? If you are writing 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. So this is called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, right? And after this, if write as in this way, 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. So now it become quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, right? And this topic also we will discuss in detail in class 10th. Okay, this in CBSE board. So then we will learn methods of factorization. There are some few methods are there. Okay, method of completing the square, and another method, Sridharacharya method. These are the methods by which with the help of all these methods we do factorize, still the answer will be same. Okay, so this thing also, the process also we will do in this question as well. Okay, class. So now this is the required answer, class. So now class, I take the next problem. 2a plus b of whole square minus 6a minus 3b minus 4, right? We have to factorize it. Class, it is another type of, the process is same, a little bit to be just do in a different way. First take out the common from these two terms. This is minus 3 we can take common. It is 2a plus b minus 4, right? After this you let t is equal to 2a plus b. So now this equation, this expression will be t square minus 3t minus 4. Yeah. Now we see the first term. This thing also you may write in the question. There is no problem. Okay. This is for our convenience. The second term is only 3 we take. We do not take the minus sign is there. And the third term is minus 4, right? So 1 into 3, what we will get? It is 1 into minus 4. The answer coming minus 4, right? 1 into minus 4 answer is minus 4. And the second term is 3. So we express 3 in such a two part is that class हम इसको break करेंगे 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Class, one which is the more important thing to tell you is that class, if the quadratic polynomial and if the minus sign is there in the last constant sign, if, then you will get a factor on subtraction, means you have to do a subtract, means we will get the number, we just split the middle number, right? So we have to do subtract, because if the subtraction is there and if you have a addition sign is there on the constant, just keep in your mind always, right? It's one fact about this factorization. Then you will get a number on addition. For example, class x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so here the middle term is 5 and the 1 into third term is 1 into 6. So we are getting the required factorization 2 and 3. So what I do here, 2 plus 3 is 5. मैंने ऐड किया ना, 2 plus 3 is 5. ऐड क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because यहाँ addition sign is there. तो क्लास ये दोनों सेम रहेगा always and always. अगर यहाँ subtraction है, then you will observe is that यहाँ पर आप subtract करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा, and if the plus sign is there, तो आप यहाँ पर add करके आपको number मिलेगा. Clear? After this class, it is t square minus n will become as same. It is 4 minus 1 t and minus 4 will come here. It is t square minus, now of the bracket. Class देखिए मैं चीज़ आपको और सिखा रहा हूँ for your understanding. If it is something, ये एक मैं रफ कॉलम क्लास है, ये मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस करा रहा हूँ. minus 6x a minus plus 6b. If you take out the common minus from this two term, class अगर आप minus common ले रहे हैं, then what will happen? The sign will revert. This all thing has to keep in mind. This is the level of class 9th on which we have to practice. We have to learn all these small things that all will help us in the future study in mathematics. Okay. So and if the minus and you multiply to in bracket, then sign will revert. Minus 6 plus 6a will become minus and minus become plus. Right? It is also an important point. So here class the minus sign is there. So on of this bracket the sign will revert. Sign revert होंगे. So it is minus 4t. It is plus t. 1 into t will become there, right? Minus 4 has come as same. Now take out the common t minus 4 plus 1 t minus 4. Now bracket is same with sign. So our factorization done correctly. So I done here, write it here, t plus 1 and t minus 4. After this, what should we do? Put the value of t here in the expression. This will be 2a plus b plus 1 and 2a plus b minus 4. Class, this is the final answer. Okay, class? Plus, it is a one problem, one cubic polynomial I'm going to start you how to factorize it. Okay, so class, we have learned remainder and factor theorem. With the help of factor theorem, we will factorize this one. It has a process. उस process को हमें learn करना है. Process आ गया class. इसकी factor जो factorization इसकी knowledge. It's a very important point is that it will help you a lot in the class 11 and 12 as well. Class करते हैं क्या है इसमें देखिए. What is the way? Way is that you see the constant. Constant is 2 here. Okay. First you write down the factor of 2. So factors of 2 are plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. These are the 4 factors. Plus minus 1 plus minus 2. After this, first you take the first number plus 1. पहले आप इसमें 4 नंबर है क्लास. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Clear? Okay. So हम क्लास में फर्स्ट नंबर लेंगे 1 और हम 1 को इट इज द fx. इसको आप fx सेट कर लीजिए. x square minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Clear? After this class, first I put the number. So first I put it here f1. When first I'll put the first in the number. Because after this, your first put 1 in the expression. It is 1 of cube minus 2 1 of square minus 1 plus 2, right? So answer is 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 and plus 2, right? It is cancelled out. Okay. Answer comes 0. अब क्लास अगर आपका आंसर 1 आ गया, अगर आपका आंसर 0 आ गया, तो मीनिंग इज दैट 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay, so I write it here. X, we can say x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. X minus 1. अब आप कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 है ना क्लास, तो आप इसको लिखिए x is equal to 1. x minus 1, ठीक है, is a factor of fx. अब क्या इसके बाद क्या करना होगा आपको? ये हमारा एक प्रोसेस, हमारा एक स्टेप कंप्लीट हो गया. आफ्टर दिस I multiplied x minus 1 in the expression x cube minus 2x square and minus x plus 2, right? So अब क्या इसको आप डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा और डिवाइड करके आप क्वोशिएंट फाइंड करेंगे. ठीक है, तो अब कैसे करेंगे? अब आप x में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आपको x क्यूब मिल जाए. So I'll multiply x square to getting x cube. ठीक है, x आपको मिल रहा है x cube and x square into minus 1 x square and the sign will revert. It has cancelled out. Minus plus साइन चेंज हो जाता है ना. अब यहाँ पर ये साइन की वैल्यू नहीं है बट यहाँ प्लस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, माइनस प्लस माइनस, तो माइनस 2 plus 1 minus x square. Next number I'll take minus x. This number I'll go without. So first what number should be multiplied to this one to getting minus x square? अब यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे minus x. So we're getting minus x square and plus x. Sign change. It has cancelled out. Now we're getting minus 2x. Next copy down plus 2. So now multiply minus 2 to getting minus 2x. It is minus 2x and minus minus plus. Sign change. Answer has so now the remainder is 0. So this class, this is the quotient what we have. Okay, so the quotient is x square minus x minus 2. Now factorize it. देखिए, अगर it is if this is the cubic polynomial, so we getting the 3 factor we will get. X square in degree 2 था, then always we take a 2 factor. ठीक है, आपको 2 लीनियर्स ब्रैकेट मिलेंगे. यहाँ पर डिग्री 3 है, आपको 3 मिलेंगे. अब x स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस 2, अब इसको आपको फैक्टराइज करना है. तो x स्क्वायर यहाँ क्लास माइनस 1 है. अब आपको आइडियाज मिल रहे हैं कैसे करना है. यहाँ माइनस 1 है, अब आप करेंगे माइनस 2x एंड प्लस x. देखिए, माइनस 2x प्लस x माइनस x होगा. माइनस 2 प्लस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड के इक्वल आएगा. ठीक है, क्लास इट नीड्स अ प्रैक्टिस और आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू सी द एग्जांपल, यू सी माय वीडियो अगेन. ओके, अगर इफ यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट एंड यू हैव टू लर्न इट, राइट, and will help you on so many levels. So class, take out x common, x minus 2 plus 1 taking common, x minus 2. Now we have x minus 2 and x plus 1. Okay, class, 1 factor is there, 2 factor is there. So the required factor is x minus 1 x plus 1 and x minus 2, right? X minus 1, x minus 2 and x plus 1, right? Class, this is the final answer and it is the way of factorization. Okay, class? Some few formulas I am writing here. Okay, so the first formulas are, they are the algebraic results. The first is it's very simple formula, x plus y of whole square. Okay, x square 2xy plus y square. Next is x minus y of whole square. It is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, on adding these two formulas we will get x plus y of whole square plus x minus y of whole square. Then we will get plus इन दोनों को आप ऐड कर लीजिए, adding this side as well and the right side as well, so it is we getting 2x square and 2y square, right? Also we may take common 2 times of x square plus y square, right? Next is x plus y of whole square with a sign of minus. Now we do subtract both the these both lines, then we will get only 4xy. Clear? These are the required things. And after this, all this result will change in some other way. For example, if you are taking x is equal to a and y is equal to 1 upon a, then what we will get? We will get a plus 1 upon a of whole square is equal to a square plus 2 into a and 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. A and a has cancelled. Only 2 will there. So it is a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square, right? The terms may come after and before, no issue, आप shift कर सकते हैं. After this a minus 1 upon a of whole plus क्या हो जाएगा? It is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. Clear? These two results will change. A plus 1 upon a of whole square plus a minus 1 upon a of whole square is equal to 2 times of a square plus 1 upon a square. And next is a plus 1 upon a of whole square minus a minus 1 upon a of whole square is only 4, right? Because this is a 4a into 1 upon a and a has cancelled, only 4 is there. Okay, so class, this is the important results. Just copy down, in copy and learn them. Okay, and how this formula has come out in this way also you must know. Okay, bad job, disturbance. Class, now see x plus y plus z of whole square. It is a square plus b square plus z square 2xy 2yz and 2 zx 2xz. Okay, it is our result. Class, next x plus y of whole cube. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3xy and x plus y. Okay, if you open this bracket, then you will get 3x square and 3y x square. X minus y of whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and x minus y. Okay, from these two results we are getting some other results. X cube plus y cube, it is also important. The first is x plus y. On solving we will get this one, and x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, next is x cube minus y cube. It is x minus y, x square plus y square plus x square plus y square. Right? Now these are the results we will use in the question. Okay, so now class, all the list is completed. Plus we have to multiply these two numbers. For this one, we have one result. X plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we having, and the a is 4, the b is 10. Put in this formula. Now we will get x square plus 4 plus 10 into x and 4 into 10, right? It is x square 14x and 40. It is the answer. Next, the question we may have, for example, if you have x square minus 3 by 2 and x square plus 3 by 2. We have to multiply these two things. But it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. A plus b and a minus b, that it is equal to a square minus b square. आप जब multiply करेंगे आपको then you will get. So now here the a is x square, the b is 3 by 2. So it is x square of whole square minus 3 by 2 of whole square. It is x to the power 4 minus 9 upon 4. This is the answer, right? 9 upon 4. Well, these are the answers. So now class, one expression we have and we have to factorize it. We will use one formula, and the formula is x plus y plus z of whole square is equal to x square plus y square z square 2xy 2yz and 2xz. Thus it is cyclic xy yx or yz zx. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब प्लस हम इसको ब्रेक करेंगे, जैसे कि 4x स्क्वायर, राइट? तो I write it here 2x of whole square. It is right here 9y of whole square. Okay, it is 4z of whole square. Now all are positive. ठीक है, अब हम नेगेटिव साइन कैसे यहाँ पर प्लेस करेंगे, इसका आइडिया हमको यहाँ से मिलेगा. I break 12xy, क्या हो गई? xy है ना क्लास, तो ये देखिए 2xy होगा ना, तो आप लिखेंगे 2 into x क्या है? It is 2x and the y is 3y. In the same way 24yz को आपको ब्रेक करना है. So now it is 2, 3y and 4z. Thus now you see the minus sign is coming. अब यहाँ पर 3 टर्म है, 2 है, 3y है, 4. 2 तो नेगेटिव होगा नहीं. So here the negative sign, it may be 3y, it either 3y or 4z. इन दोनों में से कोई एक टर्म नेगेटिव होगा, राइट? बट वी डोंट नो क्या होगा, मुझे तो पता नहीं. अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट पहले ब्रेक करते हैं. नेक्स्ट आपका ब्रेक हो रहा है 2 and 4z and नेक्स्ट इज 2x में, ठीक है ना? 16 आ रहा है. अब यहाँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है? देखिए क्लास, यहाँ पर xy होता है, यहाँ पर yz होता है, यहाँ पर zx होता है. तो हमें देखना पड़ेगा प्रेजेंस ऑफ टर्म, प्रेजेंस देखना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर yz है, ये टर्म नेगेटिव है, यहाँ पर zx है, ये टर्म नेगेटिव है. एकदम ऐसा जो दोनों जगह, दैट इज z आपका यहाँ पर भी z यहाँ पर भी है. तो देखिए दोनों में कॉमन टर्म क्या है? कॉमन टर्म यहाँ भी z आ रहा है, यहाँ भी z आ रहा है, आ रहा नहीं है? और ये टर्म भी नेगेटिव, ये टर्म भी नेगेटिव. तो हमको आइडिया ही मिल रहा है कि z की वजह से ये दोनों टर्म आपके नेगेटिव हो रही है. बिकॉज x यहाँ भी है तो x यहाँ भी बढ़ी तो पॉजिटिव है, y यहाँ भी है y बढ़ी है तो पॉजिटिव है. तो जो टर्म दोनों में कॉमन होगा, दोनों में टर्म z कॉमन है और ये दोनों ही नेगेटिव है, मतलब कि जो आपका z वाला टर्म है, दिस इज द नेगेटिव टर्म. ठीक है, z यहाँ पर है, आप यहाँ लगा लीजिए माइनस. इट इज माइनस एंड इट इज माइनस एंड दिस इज माइनस. अब यहाँ पर क्यों नहीं आपको शो हो रहा है? बिकॉज यहाँ पे स्क्वायर लगा है ना. नेगेटिव नंबर का आप स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे, नंबर आपका पॉजिटिव आएगा. आपने स्क्वायर रूट में इसमें क्लास 8 पे आपने अच्छे से स्टडी किया होगा. तो अब क्लास इसका जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है वो क्या हो जाएगा? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इज 2x plus 3y minus 4z of whole square. Thus this is the answer. Okay class, understand?